I guess you gotta.
Where's Jaden? Hey, this is not my job.
You running? Why you
This
running?
is Jaden's job. Where's Jaden?
You got the job of blowing bubbles.
Jaden!
Nice.
Come, Jade. Come hold it.
Yeah, I saw a big bubble.
All right, after every hand is going to be Jaden. 1 second, 1 second.
I want the big bubble to go over me.
The big bubble.
Whoa!
Nice. Very nice.
Where's Jaden? Come, Jaden.
Let's
Whoa,
see.
right there.
Come, Jaden.
Let's see Jaden's bicycle. Daddy bought the bicycle. Nice bicycle. Very nice. Happy birthday to my baby. Happy birthday to my baby. Very nice. Very nice. Let's go look at the cake. Yeah, look at the cake. Very nice. Those are the gifts. We're going to open the gifts later. Let's look at the cake. Very nice. God, Mommy made the cupcakes. Nice. Very nice. We get a picture of the cake later. And we got pizza. Very nice.